Sprinkle this on your carpet, and all the dirt, dust, and mustiness will come out. No scrubbing or wet washing needed. You'll eliminate dust mites, mold spores, and all grime. Your carpet will regain its color and smell pleasant. This mixture dissolves and extracts even the oldest particles of dust from your carpet. You only need 2 ingredients. First, prepare a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the bowl. Mix these ingredients thoroughly. Once mixed, evenly sprinkle the mixture over the entire surface of the carpet. Then, put on rubber gloves and thoroughly rub the mixture into the carpet to ensure it reaches the deeper layers of the fibers. Leave the carpet for at least 15 minutes, allowing the salt and baking soda to work their magic. They neutralize odors and absorb dirt in an almost magical way. After this time has passed, proceed to vacuum the carpet thoroughly. Make sure you remove all the mixture from the fibers. You'll see that the carpet will be refreshed, clean, and fragrant. This is a simple, inexpensive, and eco-friendly way to keep your carpets clean.